Hello Year 2, lesson number 2. Today we're going to be looking at notes and coin values, and we're going to be using the less than and the more than symbols to help us to compare different amounts of money. But first we're going to learn the song. So we're going to be singing the pound song, and the pound song is going to help you to remember how many pennies are in a pound, how many 5p's are in a pound, and how many 10p's make a pound. So I'm going to sing it once, and then we're going to sing it through together. The pound song. 10 little, 20 little, 30 little pennies, 40 little, 50 little, 60 little pennies, 70 little, 80 little, 90 little pennies, 100 pennies make a pound. 2 small, 4 small, 6 small, 5p's, 8 small, 10 small, 12 small, 5p's, 14 small, 16 small, 18 small, 5p's, 25p's make a pound. 1 silver, 2 silver, 3 silver, 10p's, 4 silver, 5 silver, 6 silver, 10p's, 7 silver, 8 silver, 9 silver, 10p's, 10 10p's make a pound. Okay, be ready to go with me. So I'm going to go a little bit slower. 10 little, 20 little, 30 little pennies, 40 little, 50 little, 60 little pennies, 70 little, 80 little, 90 little pennies, 100 pennies make a pound. 2 small, 4 small, 6 small, 5p's, 8 small, 10 small, 12 small, 5p's, 14 small, 16 small, 18 small, 5p's, 25p's make a pound. 1 silver, 2 silver, 3 silver, 10p's, 4 silver, 5 silver, 6 silver, 10p's, 7 silver, 8 silver, 9 silver, 10p's, 10 10p's make a pound. And hopefully that will help you to remember that there's 100 pennies in a pound, and that there's 20 lots of 5 pennies in a pound, and there's 10 pennies in a pound. But now what I want you to do is I want you to choose 3 coins, and I want you to order them from the lowest to the greatest value. And then I want you to repeat with a different set of coins. So I'm going to give you an example now. You're not allowed to use my example. You need to do a different one. My example would be I'm going to choose 50p, 20p and 1 penny. And I now need to decide, now that I've chosen my 3 coins, that I'm going to order them from the lowest to the greatest value. So which one of these has the smallest value? The 1 penny. It's only worth 1 penny. How many pennies are in 50p? More. There's 50 pennies. Is 50 pennies more or less than 20 pennies? It's more, isn't it? And now I've ordered them from smallest to biggest. So from the lowest value to the greatest value. I would like you to now pause this video and to choose 3 coins, putting them in order from the lowest to the greatest value. Welcome back. Let's do our star words. We've got £1, pounds, pence, value, coin, notes, greater and lower, and our very special pound symbol that we're going to be using so much of today. So today we're going to be recognising the value of coins and notes using the symbol for pounds, and it's really important today that we use that symbol accurately, and we know that £1 is the same as 100 pennies. Well done. I want you to pause this video and practice writing the pound symbol. I'd like you to write it 10 times, but first watch me as I demonstrate how to draw the pound symbol. Okay, during today's lesson you are going to be using the pound symbol, and we know that a pound is the same as 100 pennies. So our £1 symbol, or the pound symbol, looks like this. Oh, I don't think you can actually see me doing it. I'm going to do it again from the other side. So our pound symbol looks like this. I start up, I come round, down and across. I'm going to do that again. Round, down, across and a line. Round, down, across and a line. Let's do a few more. Round, down, across and a line. 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 Okay, so really having a look at that pound symbol and thinking about how you can get yours as neat as you can in today's learning. Well done for practicing those pound symbols. You can see you already made so much progress. Now it's time to have a think. How many pennies did we say were equal to £1? And I want you to pause the video and say this next sentence out loud. I think that pennies are equal to £1. How many pennies? I want you to say the sentence and tell me. I think that pennies are equal to £1. Well done if you said that it was 100 pennies that are equal to £1. Here's £1 and here are 100 pennies and they are worth the same amount. Let's recap. What are the values of these coins and notes? What are the value in pounds? How many pounds would I need to get this note? And this is a £5 note. How many coins of the £1 coin will I need? 5, won't I? You're right. What about this one? This is the £20 note. How many pounds will I need to make this note? I'll need 20, of course. What about this coin? You're right, it's a £2 coin, isn't it? So I need £2 coins to make that amount. This one, it's got a £10 on it. How many pounds will I need? 10, absolutely. And lastly, we don't use this note so often, but I guess sometimes we do. This one is worth £50. So how many pound coins will I need? I'll need 50. Can you see why it would be easier to carry around one sheet of paper, one £50 note, than it would be to have a whole pocket full of pound coins? You'd need 50 pound coins, and that would start to be getting a bit heavy. You'd hear people jangling around in the street, wouldn't you? We're now going to match the purse to the amount of money. So down the side here, I have got £5 and £3 and £10. Great. Okay, I need your help. Let's have a look in purse number 1. Purse number 1. What's the value in purse number 1? Yeah, you're right. Purse number 1 has £1 and a £2 coin, which is the same as £3. Oh look, £3. Let's match them up. Let's have a look at the next one. Our next one, what's the same as this amount? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Which note would I need to use? Absolutely, the £5 coin note, because there are 5 £1 coins. And lastly, how many pounds have I got here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, which is the same as a £10 note. Well done. Year 2, you're smashing this. So which note has the greater value and how do you know? Which one has the greater value? Which one is the bigger number? Is 10 or 20 bigger? Let's find out. Well, £10 is only £10 coins. £20 is £20 coins. Which one would you rather have? Yes, me too. I'd rather have £20 coins because that is the greater value. So now we can show that the greater value using our expression of greater than or less than. So looking at our notes, we've got here a £5 note and a £10 note. Which is greater? Which has the bigger value? Let's compare them. £10 note is worth 10 £1 coins. The £5 note is worth 5 £1 coins. Which is the bigger? Yeah, there's definitely more this side. So £5 is less than £10. And I know that because when I know it, and I know I've got the symbol around the right way because the mouth always points towards the bigger number. So 5 is less than 10, 10 being my greater number. And lastly, which purse would you rather have and why? Which purse would you rather have? Work out the value in each and then tell me which one would you rather have? So the value of this one is £10 and the value of this one is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah, I would rather have this one as well. I'd rather have £10 because £10 is bigger than £9. It's time for you to watch me model the independent task now and then complete it yourself. Enjoy!
Okay, so here's a sheet that's very similar to yours that I'm now going to model through to help you understand what it needs to look like on your worksheet. But obviously all the numbers and the amounts are going to be different. So let's have a look. So the first thing I need to do is I need to write the value in of each item. So the kettle is worth £20. You need to be really careful when drawing that pound symbol. So it's worth £20. Okay, right, how much is the comic worth? The comic is worth a £1 and a £2, which in total is £3. And again, being really careful when I write my pound symbol. Okay, what have we got here? We've got a £5 note, so the football costs £5. What's next? We've got a remote control car that costs £20, and again, being really careful, going curling, round, across, and the line, and that is £20. Right, I've done the first column, let's look at the second column. So the next item I need to look at is the football, the rugby ball, the American football, and I need to count this time how many pound coins I've got. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And £10 coins is the same as £10. Okay, what about my bananas? This time around I've only got 1, 2, £2. How about the book? The book is £5. And lastly, the CD is a note, and the note represents £10 coins. Okay, so that's the first step of the worksheet done. I now need to compare the values that are next to each other. So, are they equal to, less than, or more than? Remembering that less than less than and more than or greater than. Right, let's find out. So 20, is 20 more or less than 10? It's more, isn't it? So I always draw my crocodile mouth towards the bigger number. 20 is greater than or more than 10. So the kettle is more expensive. Let's have a look at the next one. The comic is worth £3. The bananas are worth £2. Which is greater, £3 or £2? Absolutely. £3 is greater than or more than £2. So the little tiny point is always facing towards the lesser value, and the big mouth is always facing towards the greater value. Okay, reading from left to right. So we've got £5 and £5, and they are equal to. They weigh the same, they cost the same. Let's have a look. Our last one, we've got a £20 car and a £10 CD. The £20 car costs more than the £10 car. Enjoy filling in your worksheets, and I can't wait to see it uploaded onto Seesaw. Enjoy!